Hi everyone, so nice contrast from last time I videoed is we have a nice overcast rainy day. I can't be happier. So I don't have to water and the plants will be happy. So we had rain from today's Friday November 1st, and we had rain from Wednesday night. I think it's Wednesday night. So everything is nice and wet. I am so happy. And I just got these from the supermarket. So instead of buying just a packet, I bought those so that I could just plant them. So this is oregano, some thyme, some rosemary, and some chives. So this is perfect time to transplant because the place is already wet. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So see here, you can see how much water is going to the garden, and look how this tree perked up. So I would be staying there wasting my time watering and it would never look this pretty. So it's perked up. Just came to get my tool, and so we're gonna dig some holes and get these beauties into the garden. I have to be careful because I feel like I'm sinking a little bit. Okay, so since there's nothing right here because everything seems to have died off, let's just make 4 nice holes. And the ground is nice and soft. Ideal time to plant. Put one here. And one more spot right here. So the thyme, since this tree is right here, I'm gonna get a little shading. I think here would be the perfect place for the thyme. Just press it down a little bit. Looks so pretty right there. Next, which one I don't mind the iguana messing with is the chives. So let's put the chives in the front. Ideally, I don't want them to mess with anything, but I think they like the front row. So oh gosh, you can pour green onion. Okay. Just press down around. Oh, the soil is so wet. Make sure. Okay, that looks good. Next hole. Okay, I have a rosemary down here. Right here. I think I'll put this. Oh, I'm sinking. Okay, there. So what is going on the ground? You put the oregano right in here. Oh, it just popped out of the pot. Okay. So they get a nice natural water because apparently you're supposed to still get some more rain, so they'll get well watered in. Okay, it's starting to drizzle now as I'm speaking to you, so I have to try to get that last one in quick because I'm not about to try to get sick. So last plant. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's time to like fall. Like, let's speed up this process a little bit. So that's it. Rosemary, oregano, chives, thyme, and there we go, last shot. So signing off, saying bye. Rain is falling and I have to get out of it. See you in the next video. Okay, so I finished just in the nick of time because this is what's going on outside. So definitely can't get anything done, but the most important thing is that they're in the ground. They're gonna benefit from this nice water.